Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting low volume while using AirPods on your iPhone. So to fix this, the first thing you can do is try resetting your AirPods and then connecting them with your iPhone again. So to do this, you will need to place the earbuds inside the case and then close the case. Now leave the case for 30 seconds like this. After 30 seconds, open the AirPods case and you will need to press and hold this back button on your AirPods case. Now simply press and hold the back button for 15 seconds. You should see this orange light for a moment. Wait for the light to turn white again and it means that your AirPods are reset. Now simply close and reopen the case. Your iPhone should detect the AirPods automatically. Now simply tap connect and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your AirPods again. If you still experience problems, check the AirPods themselves. So make sure that the speaker grill is not filled with any dirt. So if you see any kind of dirt or anything, use a toothpick or something similar to clean the AirPods completely. If you still experience problems, head to the settings app on your iPhone and tap on accessibility. Now in here you will need to scroll down and tap on this audio and visual option. Now in here you will need to scroll down and make sure that the audio balance is set to 0.00. Otherwise one AirPod may be louder than the other. Now tap on headphone accommodations. Now make sure this option is turned on. Now here you will need to select the balanced tone option. Now use this slider to set it to strong. Now go back to the main settings page. Now you will need to scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. In here you will need to scroll down again and find this reduce loud sounds option. Make sure that it is turned off. Now tap on headphone safety. Now in here you will need to make sure that the reduce loud audio option is also disabled. Once you do all of this, the low volume issues should be resolved on your AirPods. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.